So I've had this idea for a while. I try to make one other video about this, but basically I bought a bus.
This is the Justin Dunn YouTube channel.
I bought a bus so that I could do heavy duty things with it, like live in it and like haul a heavy duty car. My previous videos, you guys seen my Eclipse. So one of my biggest goals is to be able to tow that Eclipse on the car trailer with this vehicle, as well as use it to edit out of and store all of my video equipment, plus anything that I would need to make a video set. That's gonna be the build process for this. Why do you put that there?
Because nobody else is back there standing up. Yeah, so this is 16'3" to the back of the seat as it sits.
Yeah. And then what is it over there?
Well, it depends on where you're going. If you measure this, 16'6". So you got like 3 inches difference. Yeah, 7'5". 16'3" to the back of the seat, and 7'5" side to side.
See if any of this lighting makes anything better. So far the studio is working out great. I really can get a lot of things done here, and really could, you know, put a lot of lights in here, I'd assume. This works. Why, yeah, buddy? That was not the right button. Yeah, this is the inside of the bus. It has all these like heavy seats. They're all made out of steel and then foam with like a vinyl, right? It's a vinyl. You know, I would be like really excited about keeping one of them, but looking at them, none of them have like perfect. And then touching them, they're just kind of like sticky. So those have to go. In here though, I'm trying to do a layout design of where I'd put the bathroom, where I'd put my office, where I'd put my bed, closet, garage, kitchen. So the interior dimensions are 16 feet by 7 feet 6 inches. It has 2 pretty big humps for the tires. I will have to kind of work around that. I'm going to remove all these seats. I'm going to try to remove the mirrors on the hood, just because if somebody were to hit them, it would then cause them to crack the whole hood, and then those hoods are really hard to find. Other projects would be cleaning the entire interior and getting all of the square inches ready to go for something else, or what's there clean and ready to go, ready to use. This build I'm going to be doing in stages. I'm most likely not going to go with the most expensive and the most sophisticated first time around. I'm going to build it a little bit more and more and more and more as time goes on. So I'm going to try to do the bare essentials and the most important stuff the right way first, and then some other things I'm going to buy a better one later, replace it, put different colors in, put different things. Next thing that I'm working on would be the floor plan for the layout of everything that's going to be positioned and actually bolted in. As far as the toilet, that's going to be the most difficult. I'm going to have to position it where the black tank goes. That's going to be on the driver's side, and then the gray tank would be nearby so that they can use the same outlet. As far as the interior plans, that would mean that I'm going to probably put the toilet over there, and then I'm going to put like a sink over here. So on one side of the bus, which would be over here, I'm going to actually leave all of these shelves. And then if I get bored with them, I can always remove them, or I can add doors to them. So to your idea, Father, you said I had to worry about how much storage space everything was going to take depending on how much gear I have.
Mm-hmm.
So as far as how much gear I have, I probably could set it all right here on this chair in this certain area right here.
But how much gear will you have?
Could potentially all the way up to here.
Or,
and it depends on the chute, and it depends on how good I get, in the sense of a full chute could potentially have this entire thing. Because literally I could be sliding in panels that would be like for the background.
Yeah.
Or I could be sliding in like
And then that-
rods and things like that that go up together that hold up sheets or hold up lights or hold up all this stuff. And it's just miscellaneous stuff that like you would never think of, but yet when you're trying to MacGyver things and trying to make anything and everything work for free, having that stuff with you is so quick and easy. I'll just make it real quick. Power out the power tool. Done. You know what I mean?
Well, now, thinking about that stuff, like carrying 4x8 sheets of plywood, let me meet you at the back. Essentially, just build your rack right underneath the fuel tank. Hole, slide it in, bring everything up, padlock. The other thing is storage compartments, like we talked about, the ones that go straight across. Build you one right in front of the rear axle, rear wheel wells. That's 8 foot. You got 8 foot-ish of storage.
I didn't use the half. You want to just try to take it off by hand first, see what it does?
Are we gonna have to get under there and do them all that way? Let's see if this would be a major pain if we gotta get underneath the bus. Nope, that ain't moving.
Okay. Do you know where my cellular device is?
That one up on the tripod. You want another light? Put that one down there.
No, I'm gonna use my phone.
Oh. That's gonna be bad news if we have to get under there.
Wow, do all of them?
Yeah.
Well, better we find out now, right?
Good luck figuring out which one it is. You got 3 of them to hold the wall. 2 in the front leg, 2 in the back leg.
I'm looking at the 2. Alright, yeah, go ahead. I don't even see that.
Anything moving?
I don't see it.
Should have spun it around down there pretty good, unless it's covered in undercoating or something.
Oh.
Nothing moving.
Try for like a closer to the front one.
All right, let me do the front one. Front of the front seat. Oh.
Yep. The bolts, the nuts going with it.
Oh, that's what the deal is?
Yeah.
Great.
Alright, so we just gotta get a bolt that's that size, or not a wrench.
Can you get to them with underneath there better than up here?
I don't know.
Because 2 out of the 4 are going to be easy. 2 out of the, or 1's not going to be easy at all because it's underneath the brace.
I need to go change my shoes. Ow, who put that there?
Thomas, you going to work on the front one?
I think I'm on there. Yeah, I can't hold that.
Can you find it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Hey, good, it broke.
No, or the wrench off.
Oh,
Go ahead.
I think you need a cutting torch. Is it moving?
Yeah.
Boy, I feel sorry for these guys that had to put them in.
Yeah, it's insane.
That it?
That's it.
Over here? No, that's the only one I can see. I don't know if there's one in front of it, probably. It's on the bottom too, right?
Yeah.
You have the wrench? Oh, it's laying right here.
On the ground?
There's about 2, I guess.
And they fall forward.
Fold forward.
Oh, wow.
Get rid of the bolt.
That is a crazy concept. So move all this stuff.
Look at that.
Would you just...
Ain't that snazzier than horse stuff? Yeah. Yeah, we might as well save them. You can probably use them for something.
I will. Yeah, like whatever else is there.
That's it. Now look at it. Look out. Look out. Hold this.
Oh yeah, first seat ever. That feels good, right?
Yes, now it is. All right.
That is exciting.
One down. What is it, 13?
You counted them, didn't you?
No, 14, 7 times 2.
Where's the nut? Oh, it's still in the thing. You're just doing all the work.
All right.
Look at this space.
Dance hall.
Doing a nice little jig there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Undercoating or something.
Crust. You gotta cut it out for a second?
Huh?
Yeah, I can't get the 12 point on it, and then the open end comes off immediately. Alright, hit it. Alright, try it. I don't know. Alright, by hand I would say in a second, but not right now. Alright, go by hand.
Hey, good, it broke.
Yeah, it's going.
Place we can sell those.
Yeah, I can take them.
10 years of grubby little kids riding around in here. Use what?
All these pieces, parts of the seat.
Oh, for what?
Just materials.
Oh.
Like the wood you could use for something. The vinyl you
Oh.
probably can't use for anything.
Yeah, maybe.
The metal you could probably take apart and re-weld up something.
Yeah. Cut and torch and a welder and all that you wanted to take the time. Depends on what you're going to make. That's enough. It's too dark now.
Thanks to my dad, we were able to get a lot done today. We were able to get out these 2 front seats, found a lot of dirt, candy wrappers, and change in the process. I think we got a really good method down. I'm gonna have to go down below and hold the wrench, and he's gonna have to come up top and either hit it with the air gun or just sit there and ratchet it. We still have all these other seats to be taken out and a lot more work for us to be done after that. So I'm beat for tonight, so that's the end of this video. I'm gonna get some rest and hopefully hit it again hard tomorrow. I have more stories and information about my bus build on my website, just10done.com, and socials. For more videos like this one, subscribe, then comment down below what I missed so I can find it in the next video I post next Tuesday. Thanks for watching.